Jerry Doyle here again. Today's really quick tip on networking, which is a question that comes up quite a bit. But before we get to the networking piece, I want to make sure that you have these 3 or 4 things absolutely correct. Yesterday I spent time on the phone following up with people who had connected with me. Presumably they wanted to network with me and learn. So I called 50 people, plus or minus. Out of the 50 people, most did not have an accurate or up-to-date or clean voice message. When you're in the search for a job, when you currently have a job, when you're seeking to transition, you need to have something that does not sound like, yeah, this is Jerry, leave a message, or I'm not here right now, this is Jerry, leave a message. You need to have a professional voicemail set up at a minimum. Second, at least a third of the people yesterday did not have a voicemail set up at all. So it wasn't that it was bad, they didn't have anything that was set up. Some had not, their mailbox was full. I couldn't leave a message. I thought, what was that about? And still others had somehow turned their phone off, that I couldn't even access the number. So if you're giving someone a number, make sure that you have a professional message that you leave. Make sure that you respond to your voicemails daily. Make sure that your box is empty on a daily basis. And make sure that you're managing that piece of the electric communication. The one person that had a professional mailbox, crisp message, that's someone I'm going to follow up with. The other 49, I don't have time for. And you should do that best. If you're spending time going to a networking event, talking to people, making a good impression, the electronic communication, your voice communication must matter. Anyway, hoping that if I call you or you call me, we'll have a good professional exchange and we can talk in person. Have a great afternoon.